Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to unarchive a chat on Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to unarchive chats on Telegram, first open up your Telegram app on your phone. After opening your Telegram app, guys, you'll be on this interface where you can see the archive chats at the top of the list. You can see here it says the archive chats. Now in order to unarchive your chats, tap on that archive chats option, and all of your archive chats which you had archived previously on Telegram will be over here. Now in order to unarchive it, tap and hold on that chat, and guys, when the green tick mark appears on the profile picture at the left side, the three-dotted icon will be available for at the top right corner of the screen just beside the delete icon. Tap on that three-dotted icon and you can see, guys, the unarchive option will be over here for us at the top of this menu box. Tap on that unarchive and you can see, guys, that the chat which you had on archive will be back on the main inbox section of your Telegram. And with that being said, guys, this is how to unarchive chats on Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.